Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best innovations for outdoor enthusiasts, the ABCO pop-up privacy tent. Whether you're camping, hitting the beach, or just need some privacy on the go, this tent promises to deliver. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it might just be the best shower tent with a bathroom option out there. Let's kick things off with what makes this tent stand out. The ABCO pop-up privacy tent is designed for instant setup and convenience. It literally pops up in seconds and folds away just as easily, making it ideal for any outdoor scenario where privacy is key. First off, it's made from durable polyester with an impressive UV protection of UPF 50+. So not only does it shield you from prying eyes, but it also protects you from the sun's harmful rays. Perfect for those long days at the beach or camping trips in sunny spots. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to set up and pack down. With its pop-up design, you literally unzip, pop, and you're set. No complicated pulls or instructions needed. Plus, it comes with a handy carry bag for easy transport, weighing just over 4 pounds. Portable and lightweight, it's a breeze to take with you anywhere. Versatility is another big plus with the ABCO pop-up tent. It's not just for showers or changing rooms. Use it as a portable bathroom, a sheltered spot for changing clothes at the beach, or even as a private place to relax during outdoor events. The possibilities are endless. Now, check out this thoughtful design element: a side window for ventilation and visibility. It allows airflow while still maintaining your privacy, which is crucial when you're in humid or crowded environments. Let's not forget the accessories. The ABCO tent comes complete with metal mounting stakes for stability, a storage bag for your essentials like keys and phone, and even an integrated clothesline for drying wet clothes and towels. It's these little details that make a big difference. Now, what are people saying about the ABCO pop-up tent? Users rave about its durability and ease of use. It's sturdy enough to withstand outdoor conditions while being simple enough for anyone to set up. Plus, it's spacious inside, offering enough room for most people to comfortably use. Wrapping up, the ABCO pop-up privacy tent truly sets the bar high for portable privacy solutions. From its instant setup to its durable build and versatile applications, it's clear why it's one of the best shower tents for camping with a bathroom option available today. Whether you're an avid camper, a beach enthusiast, or someone who values privacy on the go, this tent delivers. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make outdoor living easier. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your adventures with the right gear. This is Product Critique, signing off.